आज का सुबह का सच. Now today I'm going to tell you 9 magical marketing words which you can use if you are a upcoming entrepreneur or if you run a company which is just begin or about to begin. You have seen these words used by a lot of companies around you to attract the customers towards them, their products. Starting with the first magical word is you. You heard it right. You means the customer, the clients. One of my mentors, Siddharth Rajshekhar, says that it's never about you or your product or your service. It's about the client's, customers' needs which you're fulfilling. So all your communications should be towards them, which is using word you. You means the clients and customers, which will make them believe that you have designed these service or products for them, not to promote yourself. If you are an entrepreneur and if you're selling a service, until you make them believe that it is for them, they will never ever buy your product. The second magical word which I believe will attract a lot of people is free. Any service which you are about to begin or start, until you showcase your service, they will never ever trust you the way they have been trusting other big companies providing products and services. So what do? You provide a bit of services or product for free to make sure that they taste your product, they get a taste of your services. Then you can probably upsell them with your other products or services. The third magical word is because. If your product is made and if you don't provide the value why they should buy your product or service, they will never ever buy. So always your product and services should be listed with the reason and use these words because you should buy this service, because you should buy this product. It provides a solution to their problem. Unless until you provide a solution to a problem, never ever indulge in making a product or services. You will be never successful. You should be always provide a solution to the problem, clients or customers' problem. Third is risk-free. The customer is giving their money. They need to feel secure with their money with you. So use these words like risk-free. If your product or service is risk-free, then they will have that trust, that extra inch of dependency on you because they believe that their money with your service or product is secured and risk-free. The fifth word you should use is secret. And how many of you inquisitively want to know the secrets? And in your social media, when you see a feed, 3 secrets revealed of this product or 3 secrets you want to know, you immediately open and click that page to see what is that secret. We are always attracted towards secret revealing. So use these words and map your product and give value adds which will open in the secrets which they have never ever known before. Research. Don't ever duplicate or copy paste from other content or Google. Create your unique secrets for your product or service and use these words. It will attract your customers to open that page or see your ad or see your leaflets when you're enlisting your product. The sixth word is instantly. We live in a very fast growing world. Everything is become so instant, whether it is your payment, whether it's your delivery of product, it's become so instant. So you have to keep up with that fast growing world. And if you have only a provision of providing anything instantly, then only use these words. Use these words and don't provide the service or product instantly, then it will backfire. All these words which I'm telling you, first do a research that whether your product and service map these marketing magical words, then try using it not all at once, but one by one. Limited time. Now, we all work in a way that if there is a service or product with a very limited time, we tend to buy. That's called impulse buying. Now, if you're providing a product with the limited time, stick to the limited time which you're giving. Don't ever extend it too much that the customers lose faith on you that ये तो चलता ही रहेगा हमेशा ऑफर या प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज के बारे में ये ऑफर चलता ही रहेगा. Stick to your limited time. Always increase your price a bit from previous one so that the customer feels the advantage of booking under the limited time, and use this word limited time in your offer when you're providing a service or product of your offers. Now everybody wants to go in a very easy way of having transaction. Nobody wants to deal with the hassle nowadays. Always use this word easy when a customer thinks that the booking product or services with you is always been an easy step. Try to complete your transactions within 3 steps or maximum by 4 steps, so that from the lead to the delivery it all finishes in 4 steps. If you exceed that, then the customer loses interest in you. And I'm again and again saying that your product or services, whether you're making anything, it should map backwards to these words so that it doesn't backfire your product and services. The last but not the least is don't miss. Now, I don't want to miss any opportunity if I see one. So if I see a word like don't miss this opportunity of this offer or product or services, then I intend to see. And again, you have to provide the value of that product or value of that money he will spend to make sure that he doesn't miss. So your product should have a don't miss word used, and he should have that value buying that product instantly. So use this word don't miss in your social media post, leaflets or ad. And all these words can be used in any of the mainly social media platforms, which will increase your views or increase your clicks, or at least take them to your website to see your service or product. We live in a social media age where 85% of people are mobile users, and they are seeing your product or services in mobile. And average time spent for a person in the mobile is a whopping 8.5 hours in a day. So don't miss an opportunity to showcase your product or services and use these 9 magical words, which will take them to your product or services. And for sure, once they get into you, your service, I believe, will be good enough to make them work with you for your product or services. So hope you like this video, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment on the section. Also let me know which topic I should cover in the future videos. So you will be able to see the topic which you want me to talk about through my experiences, or I will research and do these videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.